What are you doing over there? You rearranging my shop?
Why not open the drawer, right?
The drawer was open already.
It was open far enough.
It was open plenty far enough. What are you looking for?
Big.
How big?
2 inches.
That's not big. That's length.
That's still big.
No, that's length.
Do you want a shank or a non-shank?
How long? What length do we want?
2 inches.
2 inches.
I don't know what 2 inches looks like, so we're gonna kind of
What thread do you want?
7/16. This all look like metric stuff.
Here, give me one.
Here. You want that one? That's too big.
Is that long enough?
No, it's this one.
I'll trade you. How about that one?
Yeah, that's long enough. That's too short. See, you put that hole is stripped. You're sticking it in a stripped hole.
I mean, like the same thing as if we threaded it, huh? Okay, we need a washer though now.
There ain't a washer in here.
Where would the washer at?
How many?
Oh, there's a problem with this. There's a thread issue. Okay, yes. How many of these we got?
I don't even know where I got that from.
Here's a sample. We need 3.
That says, oh, do they all say J?
I want you to compare the length. Those are all grade 5, yes. With some 8s mixed, but mainly 5.
Okay.
You like that
3?
length? We need 3.
Yeah, they all say J at the top. They all
The
look
J is the manufacturer. Okay, now we need a washer. You got any washers in there?
No, there is no washers in
Okay,
here.
I'd close that drawer then. Where are the washers at?
Nuts.
Nuts and washers go together?
Nuts, fine, coarse, big. Shit, I would assume so.
There you go. Find something that fits around that.
Can you yank the bike that way?
You can move it.
I don't think I need to.
Okay. Yeah, a thick wall washer or a crappy one?
Crappy.
Okay, we don't want that. That's crappy.
Why?
Any big ones in there? Nice ones? Yes or no?
Like this?
It looks like a thin piece of crap.
It's fancy.
Yeah, it's thin.
It's nice.
We don't want that. Okay, close that drawer. We don't want that.
Oh.
I don't know why you're in that drawer anyway. Okay, back up. Go down there. First one.
First drawers?
Yeah. Look for some washers that look nice.
This drawer. With electrical plugs in it, right?
Is that the washers?
I mean, that's the one you said. You said first drawer.
Grab another one. How about that one?
Electrical.
Nope, that ain't the right one. Then, is it? How about that? No. No. Getting close? Nope, stainless. Next.
They're big. They're fancy.
That's it. There you go. I could tell how it was the right one.
You want this crap.
It was heavy. Yeah, these are grade 8 washers. There's a good one. I like that. Got 3 of those. So I can charge you more money for these grade 8 shit. Cheap crap.
You can't charge me more money.
I can't charge you more than.
I'm not taking it.
If I double the price, how much? If I double the price, how much do I get?
I'm not taking it from the property.
So if I double free, how much do I get?
3.
Same price. Okay, look at that. We only got that many threads.
There you go.
That'll be enough, right?
Yeah, should be. You just needed to hold it.
We didn't need to hold it.
Yeah, that's it.
So we modified our tool slightly here. So this has some clearance in it. So if we take a bushing and you take a reamer, and you go back and forth, push down the reamer, it locks it up like that, and then we just tighten the bolt down.
Right.
Now we're pulling all the studs out, otherwise we have to make a sleeve with a nut up on top to pull it down, which we don't have right now because we're not doing that. We're pulling the studs out. We're going to redo all of these studs because of what reason?
Because they're all
crap.
pulling. They're all pulled.
They're all crap. And we had this bushing made up because they were too lazy to cut one for me. So I honed it to fit really nice. So there's our drill bushing. So it goes in there and we drill the hole out to size. And we pull that one out. Then we go to this one, which is a counter bore. Might have to shorten it. There we go. We might have to shorten this up a little bit. No, that should be enough. We're only going to go to the height. Well,
right. We
still
said
might,
we were going to shorten.
We might have to shorten that a little bit still. We don't know yet. No, it's going to go down the same height as you go down. It just slips in the hole further. We got that much float. So that's not going to make any difference. We can chuck it up here. Now we might have to turn this down a little bit to make the chuck, but we made our fancy tool, so we don't have to do that, right?
Right.
We made our extension here, driver. Look at that. That's fancy. Okay, so that takes care of that one. But we didn't make this one yet, did we?
No. You say we don't have to.
We have to have something else like that.
Because you said you said we didn't have to.
Well, we're going to have to make something go in there.
That's the one you said we didn't have to make.
No,
It was extra.
We didn't have to make this one because I already had one.
Yeah, but you said the one that's in there.
This is one that we were going to cut the counterboard to clear that, but now we're not going to do it that way. We're going to let the taper center it, self-center for us. Okay,
I thought the counterboard one was for that one.
So we still got to make one of these.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have any soft material yet to make it from. Because you had some, what was this?
You have the soft material.
What is this, tool steel over here you were making the
No,
bushing
that's
from?
your crap.
This is my crap.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
this
your
is good crap then. Okay.
That's the soft metal.
So we're going to make some soft metal hole in there for that. So good, we'll make that. Okay, so we still got to make that. So why didn't you make that? You're sitting here waiting.
I didn't have a drill.
It's making a go. There's drills all over the place around here. Jeez. Okay, so we got everything ready to go except for what?
That tap.
The soft bushing for the top. Okay, so now we're gonna have to do. I got to put a bunch of rags in here too. Get the grit out. Okay, let's get these out of here. How do you do that?
I don't know because I don't know where that tool is.
Well, I just took these all out. How'd I do it?
I don't know where that tool
Is
is.
this my rag that's missing? Got dirt in here. Where do you have that case at? You got sand in it.
It was in the canyon.
Canyon. You threw it in the canyon?
Yep.
You didn't like it?
Yep.
You got two dirty rags now. Right, where's the tools?
I don't know. You can tell
Alright, we need tools. Why don't you grab that one? That looks like the one. Busy. Loop. Screw it on. Loop. Now comes the front door. My door's open. Just come on in. The yellow building. All right. He's coming. Okay.
How far do I go?
You don't have to go all the way.
Yeah, I don't know.
Find me? All right, give me a minute. Okay, where is this?
Sir, I work for a living, thank
You
you.
need this. Yeah.
I'm not a sir, I work for a living.
What does
That's
that
right.
mean?
That means it's not a sir.
Sir, that means
Okay, there you go. Where's your tool?
No, it shows a sign of respect. I grew up in the South.
I grew up in the military.
Right.
Where's
so-
where's the zip gun? Big one. No. No.
What?
It's from near the parts.
Where's the other half of this one?
This little one right here?
No. You're close. It almost bit you. Oh, you found it. Oh, you broke my tool. Where's the air?
The tool wasn't much good to
Nope.
start with, huh?
Close. Keep tools close. Okay, why don't you go do this one? Okay, where's your gun?
Which one first? This
Socket.
one?
Well, you got to tighten the socket down.
This one?
Yes. So you got to tighten. Hold on to this with your hand. Zip it. Give it one more hit. Is it tight?
Feels tight.
Okay, we'll find out. Take the big one. Goes on the outside. Make sure you loosen this time. Hit it. Stop. You notice it's not unscrewing?
Yeah.
That's because you didn't tighten it down. This time tighten it. Okay. That's 2 hits. 2 hits is too many hits. So now you over torqued this, you might have broke it. Stripped it. Does it look like a transfer metal on the stud?
No.
Pretty shiny looking. Those threads don't look the best.
Nope.
Especially since you tighten the piss out of it too much. That'll strip it too just by over
So how do
tightening.
I get this off? Smack it?
Unscrew it.
Like this?
Just give it a quick hit. That's it. You see it? So if you go too far with that, you got to make sure you're back on the thread because you want to hammer the thread to call it. So if it doesn't already come out like it, you just go like that, pop it. Now you just unscrew. Okay, so these are your studs. Those are 4 studs that came out of the other case, so these should be good studs. Unless you got new ones, you talk like you're getting new ones, but...
No, we're here now, and I don't have no studs.
Okay, so we got 4 other ones to choose from if we don't like the 4 we're pulling out. Okay, you only have to go about halfway in there, you don't have to go all the way down. So you gotta get one good hit on it, but don't give it 2 hits because it'll strip it. You have to unscrew.
Oh, you gotta go the right way first.
Yeah. Alright, I can go zip gun from there. Make sure you hit the button. Did you reverse it?
Yeah, I hit the button.
Good. One more. Okay. It's not enough. It'll let you know. It'll start to. It'll spin. If it starts spinning, don't keep doing it. You tear up the collet. Nope. Didn't screw.
You didn't?
I didn't see it move. Hit it again. Yeah, it's
Didn't
coming.
move.
It's coming. There you go. Complicated.
Very.
It is. Very important. That's it. Now you just hold the stud and run this across your hand. See? They don't look like they're damaged. 2 down. Alright, way back.